Here's what ginger does to your body. Number 1. Lowers cholesterol. Ginger is potent enough to reduce cholesterol, which means lowering your chances of getting heart disease. That's because ginger specifically targets bad cholesterol, which is the type that builds up in the arteries, causing them to harden. Number 2. Aids in weight loss. We aren't saying that ginger water will melt your belly fat or calories. However, it is worth drinking if you're tired of drinking plain water. Sure, ginger tea isn't a panacea to weight loss as it cannot directly influence metabolism. Nonetheless, drinking it in place of other sugary beverages is definitely much beneficial. Ginger water contains nearly 0 calories and helps with hydration, which is a great combination if you want to lose weight. Number 3. Stabilizes blood sugar. Are you worried about possibly being diabetic? If so, then all the more reason to incorporate ginger water every day into your diet. That's because ginger helps improve blood sugar levels in people with type 2 diabetes. Furthermore, based on a study, diabetic patients who had ginger capsules were able to lower their blood sugar levels, as opposed to those who had a placebo. Number 4. Lowers the risk of chronic disease. Like other veggies, beans, fruits, whole grains, and seeds, ginger has high levels of phytonutrients. These antioxidant-like compounds can help combat chronic inflammation, wherein the body's cells are on high alert because of current or past threats. Although such a response isn't always negative, it can also turn hyperactive and awry, which over time could play a huge role in the development of diseases like cancer and arthritis. Number 5. Promotes healthy hair and skin. Rich in antioxidants and vitamins, drinking ginger water every day will provide your skin with a natural glow. In addition, the presence of vitamins A and C also helps enhance the texture of your skin. Ginger clears your blood and contains antibacterial properties that help treat and prevent skin diseases. How to make your own ginger drink. To concoct ginger water, simply grate 2-inch ginger root and add them in 3 cups of warm water. Squeeze out some juice from 1 lemon and mix it alongside raw honey for a better taste. The combination of ginger, lemon, and raw honey will provide a huge boost to your body. How about you? How do you take your ginger water or tea?